Hello. Right. So today, in the wonderful, lovely sneaker Metarocks. I hope you guys are going to hear something a lot better. I finally enabled RTX voice for the channel, so that you guys don't have to for this video anyway. Let me know if you guys experience anything. Um, Now you guys might hear RTX voice for a small portion, but basically, what we're going to do for this video is you guys already know the title. Basically, we're going to I got a package. I'm not going to show you the other side of the package just because anonymity and anonymous being basically leaving myself anonymous. So, basically, if you guys remember, I'll have it set up. What is it like? Um, what was it like to buy stuff in 2020? How are things like this item here came from? I don't know. I used basically it came express, FedEx Express. Um, it didn't come. It came that way. It didn't come like through through standard. Um, just because I know a lot of times I will spend standard shipping, but whatever. Whatever. It doesn't matter. What matters is that this was bought through Shein. We're gonna see if this is the correct package that I showed you, the correct thing through that video. So I showed you guys that in that one. That was also me talking about my 2020 stuff. So we will. So if you guys want to go check that out, I'll have a card. I'll put it up here in the cards. Somewhere. I might put it at the end as well. So, but you guys can take a look at that. And then what's going to happen is on Monday or no, well, to be honest with you, what's going to happen is this video is also going to be experiencing probably a little bit of a delay. That it's typical thing. And parts of this video will be during the day. This was recorded at night because I was, I had to be somewhere and I wanted to do an unboxing for you or a package showing you what comes in with this. So no, this isn't. I'm going to use a fork to probably help pry it open so that you can see if we do get now. Yeah. Okay, return label, return stuff. Another return process thing. It just tells you how to return your item. If you're not in the United States, I don't know for China. I don't know wherever this company is initiated. If it's not through that, then that, and then you have to return if you do plan on returning. So I got 2 items. Hold on. anything else in the package. Oh, and it's got a nice wasted plastic, I guess. Something else. Uh, you guys can kind of see it here. What I'll probably end up doing is at the end of this, I will probably let you guys see it. It will be with, you guys are watching this, it's going to be Future Me. Future Me is probably going to, I will probably be with with another outfit, come with another lookbook kind of deal. If you guys are going to see this in later, I will probably, just to let you know that I will be limiting, how I do my videos. They'll probably end up, on Monday, or when it would, well, basically when the next video comes out, or the next part of this, basically it's going to be a little bit hard to digest because I don't know what I'm trying to say because, you know, I don't know, but basically, you guys will see this at a lookbook at the end here. But for future reference, I'll probably include this in like my haul stuff. I will let you guys know. I'll probably create the lookbook tonight, and then I'll probably wait and put it with my shirts lookbook and a few other things, or I might just put this as a separate video. It looks like it came with what I've got. I will let you know. Actually, you know what? Let's take this time and actually let's not do a lookbook this time. Let's actually put the coat on. I think to see if it actually fits because it's a medium size jacket. If I'm not mistaken. Okay. Size M, EU 38, and US size 6. So let's see if this actually will fit me or whatnot. Okay. I might have to return. I don't know. It seems. It's not terrible, I guess. It's not a thing that it came with was those, but that was basically what I was looking. Wasn't looking for anything super duper good, I guess. So I would probably say maybe are buying from, take a look and be careful. Sometimes you buy stuff might be lower. So like if you bought a medium, like most of the shirts, most of the stuff, you should be careful. Like most likely read the reviews and stuff, so that you can actually be well minded. Um, don't go out like if it's brand new product just released that day and you've been buying from that company, okay, that's okay. Like Adidas, like I will say, okay, that's fine. But remember, if you happen to go out and buy it, make sure that you write a review. Make sure that you do it right away so that they know that you've got the item. Make sure that they know that what other people need to know because like sometimes like when I bought like my my first pair of Bulls, I bought an 8. I went down to a size 7. Okay, but I still kept it at the 8, size 8. So just be mindful that sometimes read those reviews, look at what people say, go down a size if you need to. Make sure that you are 4 size up, or go with whatever they say true to size. That's fine. Make sure that you're following um way that people perceive it. Now, if there's aren't any reviews, if you aren't for sure that you're wanting to buy from a company, be careful. Like, don't go out and look at those ads. If you see something from it, go search it up, go read about it, go make educated guesses on buying things from companies that you don't know. You know, just go do that. So basically, I needed a new coat, and I got that for about $60, which, to be honest with you, I could have gone regular standard shipping, but whatever. I did it that way, I guess. So just be mindful that if you are buying from places, be careful. Like if you're for example, like eBay. This is the final thing I'm gonna talk about it, is when you go on eBay, make sure that you pay attention. If you find a misspelling in the ad, okay, make sure that if you find one misspelling, if you find a whole lot of errors, don't go and buy that, to be honest with you. Don't go, if you're buying stuff, make sure that you send stuff back. To be honest with you, sending stuff back is better than not sending anything at all. Like, for some people, I see some people who are out there where they go out and they buy, like, a phone, okay, like the seller has done this, where they go out and buy the phone, and then the person goes out, buys the phone, and then they return it back because of a defect or whatever, and they only return the phone back. They don't return any of the accessories or anything that came with it, you know? That kind of right there is like, that's why I said sometimes you gotta be careful, gotta be mindful of what's going on around you, because sometimes like you might see something. Also, if you only have like one photo, or like let's say the photo is just there and it's not sold by the actual company itself, be mindful of it. Look at eBay, look at the negativity. I'll tell you right now, for me, I probably won't buy from eBay, to be honest with you. I probably won't. I'm probably going to be like 90% sure I won't buy from eBay, because, to be honest with you, same with Amazon. Be careful what you buy on Amazon too, because sometimes you might buy something that's used and you might get something different. Don't go out and buy ketchup from Amazon or anything. Go buy it from a local store, because sometimes you go buy like a bottle of ketchup, you might get, like, let's say you buy 3 bottles of ketchup somebody found in the dumpster. They found one that was good. They found 2 that were sketchy. Okay, and they decide, well, they looked good. They're gonna sell it. Be careful. Don't go out and buy food on Amazon unless you know that it's like, I don't know. I just want you to be mindful of what you're getting yourself into. Don't go out and buy something that looks sketchy. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say, is just be careful. Like, that radio back there was from eBay. Um, and I actually was getting what I wanted. Okay, yeah, there was a dent and stuff, but it was actually okay. I was seeing multiple listings. I was seeing like 4 or 5 listings on it. So I knew that, you know, that if you see that was okay, but I needed it, and I was like, I don't care. I had to have it for my internship. Okay, and I will say, I have bought a few things, but I'm not. Be mindful. Be careful. You might end up buying, like, if you go look on YouTube, go look for Adidas, go look for things like that. I'm just gonna leave that there for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the jacket to see if it fits, whatnot. I know I probably didn't show it very well. I will probably at the end here just probably put a photo of me with it, and then you guys can make your guys' educated guess. I will put up there as a review, as to make sure that if you are medium, make sure you go size higher, if, because like sometimes you might buy something that fits. Like you think you buy an M or you buy an S, and you buy the M thinking that it's going to fit. And when you're an M, you might have to go larger. If you're an S, think about it. It's not the fact that you go out and you buy your size. Make sure that you take a look and be careful. That's why I tend to try not to buy things on but because of COVID and stuff, it's kind of a little bit different. So be mindful, be careful what you buy. Make sure that you are paying close attention to online shopping. So just go check out that video that I did. That will be here somewhere on this screen. And also go check out my recent video on a sneakers. And then also go check out a video that I think YouTube is going to recommend. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Also, if you guys want to see more Shein products, make sure you also let me know down in the comments, and we will, yeah. So let me know, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.